How to turn on or turn off auto rotate on Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, scroll down your notification bar. You'll find auto rotate. Click on it to turn it on. And if you want to turn it off, you can simply click on it again and it will turn it off. But if you don't find it here, at the bottom, click on pencil-like icon. You'll find it here. If you find it here, you can simply drag it upwards and you will be able to turn it off or on just by scrolling your notification bar. This is how to turn on or turn off auto rotate on Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.